Check, check, check. There we go. There we go. What's up, people? What's up? I'm running behind. Sorry. What's going on, trucker? Everybody okay? Now what's hitting? There goes Meta. I looked at last night. Trying to get set up here, guys. Give me just a second. Everybody okay this morning? SMCI. Anybody got SMCI on your radar for puts, maybe? After that big run yesterday, blow off top. I don't think it's ready to give up right yet. I don't know. What's going on? We got sound now? Check, check. Check. 1 2 1 2. We're good, right, on sound? Good now? Okay. Check, check, check. Mm, okay. What's today's date, guys? February 20th. So far, here's your, I'd say 611. I'm kind of leaning towards puts here. And if I check this here yesterday, let me get a little volume profile on yesterday. Yeah, 611, guys. If we can lose 611, we could maybe get 609, 90. Let me get the past 3 days. We've been dealing with some chop. We got pretty good support at 610, honestly. I've got 610.20 marked. I'm calling 611 kind of the bottom of pre-market. Anybody catches something you want me to look at, holler. Let me know in the chat. And here goes Nvidia too. Kind of pre-market lows down here. Oh Lord, I'm way behind on sound or on chat. Jayhan, yeah, what's Apple doing? I've been trying to watch Apple. Daggone. Well, missed that. 245.50. Yeah, missed it. Retesting Apple's retesting VWAP there. That got heated up fast though. Reddit. Yeah, I want to I didn't want that. About 611.10 seems to be acting support right now. We could bounce right here if we get a candle above VWAP or start breaking above VWAP. You might could scalp this up to 612, but you also got, yeah, where's pre-market high? Time is this? Yeah, right here. Yeah, about 612.10. Price below 106.50 on Palantir. Dog in here going batshit crazy. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Victor. Yeah, I seen Baba took off. I try to trade like I've got no one to. Okay, Jayhan. trade like nobody's following me. I feel you. I really, right now, I'm looking for this to break 611. This MACD's crossing down. We're pushing down. I'm looking at puts, 611 puts. So far we're holding up, but this MACD's crossing down, guys. We're below 50 on the RSI. Could take a minute. Let's see what the 15's doing. Oh yeah. I mean, it could be a fake out, but you could load, as long as we stay under VWAP here, you could load close to VWAP on puts, really small position, and start adding on the way down if we break. Or you can wait to break under 611. I would dare say 611, right at 611. We got 3 minutes on this candle. I just don't want to bounce right here. Just don't want to bounce. Check Walmart puts. I looked at Walmart for somebody on the live last night. Microsoft calls. Richard Daly, you're buying calls right here. Uh, yeah, I don't know, man. Walmart. There's a 1 hour. Yeah, Walmart was so due for a pullback. Here's SPY again. Getting bearish. 60 seconds left on this. Damn, there it goes. I don't know if anybody loaded it up there at VWAP where I said. There we go. There's 8%, 10%. Be selling one at a time here. Out. Here we go. 6, 8%. 10. Selling one more. Come on, baby. I am down to one contract, 15, 17%, 21%. Boom, baby. 25. And I'll be out close to 610 down here. 25%. I'm out. That's my last one. Boom. Okay, watch for 610 to break or pop right here. Perfect exit. Perfect exit. May could have swapped around the calls right there. I'd like to get this candle, see what it's going to do. Good job. I don't know if anybody took that. I know it's fast. There we go, baby. Let's go, J Dizzy. Boom, baby. Pre-market range might be a good time for some put scout. Richard, you bought calls on that, or was you on something else? There you go, Tom Schnitzler. Very nice. Now we dropped really hard to 30 on the 5 minute. We're probably going to retest. And really, that was my support, really close to 610. What did we get? 610.30? Yeah. I think I had 610.20 marked. Okay. Good job. Boom, baby. She's still coming. Still coming down. I don't know if any of y'all seen how fast that is with the turbo options over here, but man, it makes it quick. Watching this 610.20, baby. What's the 10-minute looking? Anybody still in? I hear you, T. Lee. Turbo options sloth. It's on Weeble. It's just a tool inside of Weeble. There you go, Tajon, my dog. Still in, season 20%. Season, don't give it back. Don't give it back. This is definitely bounce zone. A lot of support here. I almost wouldn't mind to take like one call for the end of the day here, like a 610 or something. What's a 30-minute looking like? Nah, we still got down pressure. I'd be looking more of this 609.60 for bounce. Overall, this 3 minute, 5 minutes got to breathe a little. There you go, Daryl. Yes, Sloth, it's just something I've just added recently and trying to teach and show everybody. Is anybody, how bad is Reddit? I'm hoping I can pick some leaps on Reddit up if this thing falls on down a little bit. Did CVE recover? Yes. Okay. Okay, here's a SPY again. We're on a 5 minute. Yeah, T. Lee. Victor, the only thing that costs more with turbo options is you have to subscribe to some kind of OPRA data, and it's like $3 a month. Sloth, I did a video on it yesterday or the day before. It's on my YouTube. I'll go over it again with you. I'm still watching these puts, guys. March 609.50 calls. I'm not hardly looking at calls yet. I mean, this is trying to hold up right here. But when I go let's go to the 1 hour and look. See, the 1 hour is still showing down pressure and we're under 50 on the RSI. So I feel like, at this time, 30-minute has fired through the MACD coming down. So what this 5 will do is vacillate here until we break this 610.20 level. And I mean, we could come up retest the 9. Um, I'm just looking at puts here. Still 325 on this. You watch this RSI curl up, maybe give us a green candle. Let's look at a 2. 3 minutes. Okay. Good job, Mateo. Victor, absolutely. It lets you trade them way faster. I can put, here's my order blocks. I can do 2, however many. You can set all these to your personal preference. If I want to buy 1 or 2 at a time. I did a like a 20-minute video yesterday or the day before. That gone there it went. Anybody in that? I missed it. Son of a gun. I missed it. It didn't. I didn't have it selected. There you go. I hope somebody caught it. There's 7%, 10%, 11. I'm selling 1. I got 1 still. 13, 15%, 15, 18%. Boom, baby. Give my people money. 20%. Come on. I'm out on my rest. I'm out right there. Boom, baby. Come on. This thing's still going. Okay. 608.40. That's why I got out, guys. Nice. Nice. 2 big winners today. Come on. Boom, baby. Palantir's still going down, huh? Yeah. I mean, I wish I could have shorted it. I missed it though. Junior Outdoors, 57.91. Yeah, Reddit getting crushed. 60% crisp or 2 today. Palantir taking. I almost took SMCI puts. Okay, guys, what's the RSI now on the 5 minute? We are super oversold on the 5. 15 is getting oversold. The 1 hour still has down pressure. 30-minute is approaching 30 on the RSI. If you go back and look, if I could just uh, take a second to teach now for just a second. I was showing you guys last night, this level on SPY. You see this big volume shelf here and this POC, this dotted line. See when we broke it? Now I've really got to go back and measure. Let me get rid of this. Let's get on a 15 here. This is my big level. 608.40. I will, if this breaks, SPY still coming. I don't know if anybody's still in it. If 608.40 breaks, it's bad. I probably, it would be a long shot risk to take calls right here off of 608.40. You could take one. It's bounced and bounced and bounced there before, and I may have missed entry on it. Probably should have took it on this candle here. Let's see if it'll test it. In the past, I need to switch my screen. In the past, it has really bounced there. Let me go back and get this. I'm telling you, man, if we drop 608, 608.40, 608.35, we'll come to 606.80 at least. Okay, let me switch back. So you got the level. Good job, Jose. Nice. What's that? Meta or Apple? Apple doing something here. I don't know. Okay, guys. 608.40 approaching. Let's get a 15. I'm in. I will shave these real quick if it doesn't break. I'm out. I'm just, no, I should have held it. Oh, wow. You gonna go beneath that? Back in. Ooh, son. Go. Go, baby. 8%, 9%, 12%. Come on. I'll switch this back to one and I'll sell one at a time. 15%, 17. I'm out one. We got one left at 18%. I'm out. 13%. I'm out. I should have held the first position I took. Still moving all right. I'll scalp it on the way if it keeps coming down. One or two at a time. Yeah, I'm gonna bounce there. I'm out. Okay. I'm not pushing it right now. Not pushing it. Pretty good levels. Pretty daggone good levels. No complaints. Where are we catching on? What are we catching on? Right there, 607.40. 606.90. Wow, man. Good morning so far, guys. Everybody okay? Yeah, it's fast, brother. Boy, all right. Pepper, what platform are you trading on, brother? Come on, Tajon. Let's go, Christian. D. Daniel Loving Turbo Trader. There we go. Bruce, I don't want to buy Palantir until I put it on my video last night. Uh, between 80 and 90. Where's it at now? Yeah. I mean, it could pop right here a little bit. That may have been a pop. That's a 15. Pretty good candle on a 15 at 607. Tell you guys, I know we've killed 3 levels here. Pretty nice. I don't want to overtrade and give it back. Good Lord. This thing. Big wick on that candle. 10-minute. What's this 1 hour? This could just be a relief. Hello, Shelly. Tell him hit the like button, girl. Solo trucker, are you holding? Okay, let's go look here. Here's your bounce. I might take a quick call. Let's see if we can retest the 9. I'm not getting bullish. When I go to this 1 hour, I mean, this is what I see. But that could be it. Question is, do we want to put risk on the table and take a chance on giving it back? Hmm. Watching this 2 minute, see if it can get under this candle. 608.10. If we can stay under 608.40, that remains bearish to me. I don't know. There we go, 8%. I'll take it at 10%. That's how fast the turbo options are. I'm telling you, if you're not on Weeble with these turbo options, I hope you got something else that's that fast. There you go, Tajon. Probably time to walk away. Francisco, I've been on just SPY all morning. Well, what else do we need to confirm for calls? You know, I would like to get a cross up of the MACD on something. Like the 2 minutes not even gave a cross up yet. Really, this test of the 9 on the 2 minute was just an entry again for puts. I've still got puts loaded, but the more I go into this, the lower position size that I will use. And we're not making, right now we need to get under 607 for more downside. Yeah, one green candle would be nice. Good job, Justin. Yeah, Jayhan, just narrow your focus to a couple things, two or three tickers at once, at most. CVE down today, huh? Yeah, Clutch, I'm ready for a nice bounce too. I mean, you could take a call here, but I would go low position size. I really need this 5 minute MACD to curl up for me to get some confirmation. Yeah, I might take one here. You get like a 611, one call. I really don't like that 608.40 level. I got one. Not going heavy at all. We smoked it going down. We got it all. Come on, baby. Come on. RSI's breathing up some. It needed it. There we go. I would watch this 9 in VWAP. 15. Buyer stepping in some. Okay. I got one and then I added one, so my percentage isn't great. 3%. Good job today, everybody. NVIDIA. It's pretty much tracking with the SPY. There we go, guys. There you go, Solo. Boom, baby. Everybody good? Thanks, Michelle. Um, oh my God. See, man, it switches. I did not mean to buy tomorrow's expiration. If I switch tickers and these other tickers are weekly options, when I go back to the SPY, it switches to Friday. I don't know why, and I've caught that 3 times yesterday. I didn't mean to. Ridiculous. Sorry, PK. Yep, you're right. These would be way up. These would be up way more right now. There's 8%. Ridiculous. I don't know why it does that. Rocky, you have to add turbo option as a widget. Guys, I did a video on it yesterday or the day before. We get done trading, I'll walk you through it right fast, okay? I'm gonna sell one here. We're approaching VWAP. We can make it to VWAP. That's 9%. You guys may be up more if you got today's expiration. That right there pisses me off, man. Why it does that, I don't know. 60960 or VWAP, Parker. I don't have much hope for it right now. When I go to the 1 hour, I mean, this was a good wick on this candle. I'll say that. If you hold this, you're taking risk. You got to go back through all these resistance levels. So I'll probably sell one here. I'm out half. I can hold half. If I climbed back above 610.20 by chance, I could add again. Right now, I'm happy with small gains. It was a good pop. There you go, Chris. Yeah, Dirkus watched it. It's about 18 minutes or something like that. Boom, Lauren. Boom, baby. There's 8%. I will shave this if we can't get over VWAP. I mean, guys, I think that's 4 out of 4 today. So I had one little crappy attempt and then got right back out. Good job, everybody. There we go, 10%. If you took today's, you're probably 15, 16%. There you go, Theo. D. Daniel, 20%. D, are you liking turbo options? I mean, if anybody needs help setting them up, I'll help you set it up. I'm doing the coaching now. If you want a one-on-one, you just got to reach out to me and let me know. Yeah. Parker, my target was VWAP, 609.30 or 609.60. That's about it. You're going to vacillate here if you can't get over it, and I'm out right here. This thing drops again, I'm out. I'd love to run, but I don't know. Gonna go. Come on, baby. That's 14%, guys. Yes, you can set stop loss with turbo. I'm gonna take a minute here when we get done trading, and I'll go over it right quick, okay? Nvidia's recovering. It's trying to get over VWAP right now, so this could bring us up. I'm up 14% on this last one. Uh, I'm about ready to cut it. I don't know if we're going to climb over VWAP or not. There you go, Victor. John, I'll show you here in just a second. I love it, country. Good job, Solo. I'm just mad because this switched my expiration date. See, if I go I make it today's date, and let's say I do Reddit. It switches it because most things are weekly options. SPY has daily options. So I go back to SPY and it's put it on that week. I always forget to change this back to the today, but this 12% would probably be more like 20% on today's. I feel you, Chris. I feel you. And then I'll change my lots right here, how many I want to buy or sell. I can buy 10, hit market buy, and then I can reset it to 1 and come over here to sell market, and I can sell one at a time as it's moving for me. Okay. You can customize the settings pretty easily. I'm I'm tempted just to cut this last one. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I think that's it. I think that's 4 for 4. Good morning. Now, don't overtrade. I would love to back test. So, came in late, make 361 filter puts, but sold too early, then spent time adding to my CD and Reddit lead. HCH children, I'm glad you're here. We did good. Yeah, we got a decent amount of snow. Chris, CVE leaps buying time. Victor, without me saying much, I mean those are for that he's got that in the VIP tab, but if you're in the VIP, you can just go to that section and look. So, guys, if you want me to you want me to show you the turbo trader right fast or turbo options? Yeah, how's Reddit looking here? There you go, D. Daniel, thanks. I'll say this on Reddit. I want to hold 177. What's the daily? I don't know if I'm adding Reddit here or not. On the daily, she got plenty more room down, firing down. I dare say Mike can get this at 160. I don't know. I see I see more consolidation in the low end of this range down in here, but we are at the top end of it. So yesterday was just an inside bar. It was a pop. Okay, that's my opinion. SMCI, um, Carvana, CVE, baby. I mean, I like this 1 hour's curling around. I was up on these yesterday. Pretty nice. There's a SPY. Okay. So you don't like how it displays contracts, Chris? Like, do you? So I found this out, Chris. You have to set your bid to cycle which ones are displayed. Like I don't mind this, but now it did have uh like open interest selected and volumes like some there was other things selected like when you add it, but I don't want that crap. So I went to the filter and turned it off, and the only thing I did was select the bid, and then you go to your bid, and generally what I do is like between 50 cents all the way up to $4 a contract. So between these two levels, press OK, and then it's going to display those. I guess if you go to the filter and take off the bid, it'll display yeah, these are horrible here. Underlying SPY filter. So you got to add, I guess you add the bid and set your price range is the easiest way to do it. And then it's got those, close to in the money and a little out of the money for you. I feel you, Jeffrey. Colton, no, I don't think so. If I would just follow Josh's plan on it if you've already got in. Okay, Charles. Yeah, I'm going to go over turbo options. I'm going to take it off and I'm going to add it for you guys. Remove turbo options. So when you you got a normal window up here. It's usually got a few other things, price analysis and stuff. I take all that crap off. Anything you want to take off, you just touch these three lines, left click, and remove it. Anything in these blocks. So I found that I wanted this block to be my turbo options. So I go to these three lines, left click, add a widget. And one of the first thing that comes up is turbo options. If you can't find it, you can go to all widgets. Let's see here. Trade. Here's your turbo options. And click plus. Now I'm going to set it in this block. And now it becomes a drop down tab for me. Now, this is how it comes standard. I right click, and there goes SPY, guys. Watch it if you're interested. I don't know if I want to put a whole lot more back on the table. Turbo Trader option settings, Charles. Contracts. This is how many you want to buy at a time. So I'll do 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 15. Okay. Then we'll go to the buy button. If you want to set a stop, and a take profit order, you can, and you can change the percentage. So if I do that and that, if I buy one contract at the very simultaneous time, a stop loss for 20% and a take profit for 40% will be set. Here's the bad thing. If I don't want to, if I just want to exit that trade real quick, I have to get rid of those orders first. There's SPY, guys, if you're still in these calls. Now, I don't particularly like these, but I'll leave them on for a second if you want me to. Positions. This is how your position is placed. You can change it to the last price of the contract and the average price of the contract, or the percentage up, however you want it to display. And then I click OK, done. Now, the first thing I do is I take off order confirmation. If I leave it on, then every time I want to place an order, it makes me go to another tab and confirm it. I don't want that. It's too much in my way. So I take it off. The second thing I do is I go to filters and I take away open interest. I don't care about it. I don't want that to be a parameter. So I've dechecked it. The third thing I do is I change the bid of the contracts I want to see. So I want to see like 50 cents to $5. $.50 to 5.00. Okay. And I want to see 10. So it'll show me up to 10 on each side if I got 10 that fit that parameter. So now I have calls, puts, price of the contracts, and I actually drag it up a little bit. There we go. So let's say I buy a put. I'm gonna buy one just for the heck of it. I'm gonna buy a put right here. I'll select this 607. Just one. One's in my block. The last thing you have to change for SPY, I'll change these to market. The sell and the buy side to market. So it's just a market order. Okay. If when I'm ready to buy one, I get it here. It is filled. Now, you see it set a stop loss and a take profit. Stop is at 46, take profits at 81. If I want to view this differently, I can right click and say, give me the last price and the average price. I got in at 59, it's at 54. That way, if I want to move this stop, all I have to do is hit the pencil and scroll up to, let's say I want to move it to 50 cents. I'll move it to 50 cents. Then if my stop's kicked, it'll kick me. I don't mind having these, but if I want to exit this order, there we go. I'm up 14, 18% on those, 21% on those. If I want to exit this order, I don't think see, it won't let me just get out. I have to cancel these out. And I X and cancel. Now, if I want to sell, I make sure I've got one in here, just like I've only got one contract displayed. And I come to sell market, or you can hit this blue tab. That's why I don't like the automatic stop loss, because I also got to cancel that if I want to get out of some positions, because it's a working order. So I'll sell here at 17%, and I'm out. Hopefully that helps you, brother. Michelle, I'm not interested in open interest on day trading the SPY. I'm not interested at all. I don't care. It's liquid as can be. It doesn't bother me. I'm interested in open interest if I'm buying leaps. If I'm buying swings a month out or 2 months out, yeah, I'm interested then. On a day trade of SPY, I could care less about open interest because I know it's liquid. Jabril, my dog. So, guys, I'll give you my spiel one time. If you go in, um, if you go to the description in the video, if you want to upgrade in the Discord, sign up under me. My link is in there. I have tip jars in there if you're interested. Venmo, Cash App, PayPal. I have my Webull link is in there, and Blowfin is in there if you'd like to sign up for those exchanges. Now, if you're interested to do a coach session, I can do that now, but you need to message me on Discord and we'll schedule the date. Then I'll send you the link to pay through the WAP app. Okay. I would love, I've got some coaching lined up. I would love to help anybody that needs help. If you want some one-on-one help, I would love to help you. Now, I I do too, Charles, but I hate Moo Moo. I hate Moo Moo. I cannot get around that application. It's wonky to me. So the one thing I like to do, Charles, another thing you can do, um, I go up here, right click again for settings, turbo option settings, on this buy button. I never do a take profit because I want to be in charge of taking profit. If you want the stop loss, you can have it set and then just cancel it out if it starts going your way. So then the only thing that's set is a stop loss. And the cool thing about it, let's say I buy two here, if it'll break this 608.40. Okay, I bought two. Now it's got two stop losses set. If I want to edit this, and this is going against me. I should have known it's going to bounce off 608.40. I think if I want the stop loss, I like to right click here and display the last price and average price so I can see where my stop is. This is going to kick me if this candle goes green. So I can say, it's at 63, the price of the contract's at 66. If I want to edit, I can just edit here. I can go, you just hit your pencil and change the stop price. I could change it to 62. Now the stop has moved and then it just kicked me out. So that's one way of doing it, Charles. I generally just don't use a stop loss with turbo options because I can get, but you have to be disciplined enough to say, hey, this is my cutoff point. I'm out. I'm getting out. And I don't have a problem with that, but if you do have a problem with that, then it's probably not, you probably want to set a stop loss. That's how I view it. All right. Chris, yeah, I don't mind. I like doing the stop loss on the chart too. I can move it up and down. But if I'm day trading it, I'm here with it, and I don't know. I'm starting to get used to it. I like it. It's really fast. Jabril, my dog, proud of you. Yeah, Dave. Most people do not like Moo Moo. Charles, I don't know if you know this or not, but on Weeble, you can have multiple accounts and separate those accounts if you like the platform. I've got 2 or 3 accounts now, and then you just do it over and over again. You have to apply for options trading, blah blah blah. You just treat it like a normal account, and then you can say, hey, this is my swing account, and you can change it out very easily which one you're trading out of. Uh, Brad, the one-on-one is 130. We usually do about an hour session. You can ask anybody though if there's more help needed. I stay on and help. Uh, and then at the same time, if you need 5 minutes, I don't care to talk to you for 5 minutes. I help everybody that's asked me for help. Yeah, I feel you, T. Lee. I don't like Moo Moo at all. Theo, yes, I did a video for Turbo Trader. It's on my YouTube channel, on the same channel. Jose, what are you trading through? Same login and everything, Charles. I can just I go to the top right up there and I'll switch from my cash account one to my IRA account, my IRA to rollover IRA, but I can trade out of them, and I'm sure you can title them differently too, but I love it. Here's the puts. I'm really watching, I've told you this 608.40 level, we immediately reclaimed it. Let's see if it holds. It's been a heck of a level lately. Yeah, you can, Jose. You can add it. You can open it with however much you want to put in it, buddy. Brad, you don't have Discord? How are you in this video if you don't have Discord, brother? There it goes. I missed my entry. I mean, I'm glad you're here, brother, but I don't. Are you out of Discord now, but your account's still active a little bit or something? Is it not? Okay. Maybe I made this video public. I can't remember. I feel you, brother. I feel you. I got in late on this, guys. That's my bad. There's 4%, 8%. I'll change this back to one contract and sell one at a time here. 7, 8% out. Ah, see, see, that's what that stop loss does. It gets in my freaking way. I just gave 8% back. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I must have. Yeah, it's okay, Brad. It's okay. I ain't mad, brother. So I probably made this video was probably public, I guess is why. And that's okay, man. That's okay. So Brad, you got a ink pen? I'll give you my email, buddy. You can send me an email. Tell me when you're ready. Yes, Adam. There, I'm back up 4%. Hang on, and I'll show you, Adam. I'll sell this one at a time right here. Out one, and what's the 10-minute doing? Still showing down pressure. This could be a double bottom here if this holds. It's ugly looking though, ain't it? Brad, tell me when you're ready. Okay, yeah. I must have not switched it to private. Yeah, some videos I make public, and some videos I only share the link in the Discord. This particular one was, I thought it was private link, but I must have made it's fine. It's no big deal. No big deal. I ain't sweating it. I want everybody to do good. Boom, baby. 11%. 7, 8, 11. Vacillating. I'm out. I ain't holding this. Watch it fly down here. Brad, you tell me when you're ready. I'll give you my email, brother. Yeah. Son of a gun gonna fly, but I don't know if I want to trade it anymore or not. 2 minute got any signs of life or no? Not really. What do you think about iron con? I don't trade iron con. I don't know what they even are, Corey. Okay, Brad, it is. Let me look it up. Spy. Huh. So also, if we're live public, you guys can do super chat. Boom. Boom. I don't know what this wants to do, man. S- okay. Spy. Here you go, Brad. Spy dot LORDSCALPS spy.lordscalps at gmail.com. Okay. Yeah, seasoned Michelle, I'm switching back and forth. I like to, this 10 minute is pretty oversold. I just noticed, the 2 minute, sometimes they give you a better look. It got so oversold, gave a pop. I was going to see where it landed at before a reversal on the RSI, and this don't look like this could be a reversal here. Early signs of a reversal. I could be wrong, but there goes that freaking stop loss again. I got to take that off immediately. Buy button, stop loss order, uncheck. Okay. This thing drops 7-8%. I'll get out. I just took a cheapie. Yeah, I'm out. Really, if we make new lows, about right here, yeah, 607.50, I would call it. You could run back down here to 607 on the 1 hour. 606.40, I think, was something I had marked, possibly 606. There, this thing goes lagging. There we go. This 1 hour is dead down, man. 30 minutes left on this candle. Oh, man, it wants to pop off this on a 3. I don't know. My price on Weeble is different than yours. 607. I mean, right up here's the price. Should be the same. Hey, thanks, Brad. Yeah, I think so too, Rafi. Yeah, boy, thanks. Very nice. Can you check Palantir for me? Reddit still dropping. Yeah, I'm not adding no Reddit yet. Oh, I wasn't crazy about it yet. Kitty, can you check Palantir? I really wanted Palantir lower between 80 and 90. Yeah, it's Kitty, not for me yet. I'm sorry. You know, the daily's starting to cross down on the MACD. The signal lines are starting to cross down. B Glenn, are you on Turbo Trader strike or Turbo Trader options? Shinadu Onyebor, if I'm saying that correct. Tuesday, Thursday morning is locked in, and most of the time I do Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. What's this five showing? I mean, I got to put loaded up just in case if this starts crashing. Um, Juan Sanchez, are you? If you're in the Discord, just shoot me a message, brother. Starting to break. Here we go. 3%, 6%. If you're in the Discord, brother, just message me. I will not message you first. If you message me, I will respond. And we'll set up a date and time, and then I'll send you the link. This is going to reverse. I'm not going to hold this. Yeah. I had about 8% there at one time, but I didn't catch it. 5 minute RSI starting to push here. I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna take one call. I might add on the way up here if we can get over the 9. If we can't get over the 9, I won't. Yes, Sanchez, Juan Sanchez just messaged me on Discord, and I will respond to you. I never reach out to anybody first, and I never ask you for anything, so do not be scammed. Never, ever, ever be scammed. Parker, that was a call, brother. I tried to put right here, got small percentage, and ended up down like 2 or 3% and cut it. So I try to make my winners bigger, my losers real small. Hey, I did okay. Thanks, Brad. Apple just crossed level. Thanks, Spylord. Out of fun. Bryant, good job. Good job. Thanks, Lens. I'm glad to help you today. Okay, B Glenn, SPY is just showing 611 to 618 puts, no more strikes. Are you on Turbo Traders, B Glenn? Um, Make sure your expiration date is February 20th. Okay. I'm taking my eye off this trade. Hang on. Go to filters. I've just got underlying expiration side and bid. That's all that's checked on filters. And then I come to the bid. I type in dot 50, 0.50 cents to $5 and press OK. And the bid has to be between, not above or below, but between those price ranges. So try that. This thing's going haywire here. I'm gonna have to cut this if it drops. If it drops below my level, I'll take this loss, 11 bucks. Kind of hoping for a little reversal here. So far, nothing. If we got a double bottom here, this could be the the end goal if we broke back above 609.60. But we got to get some momentum to the upside, and unfortunately, it's 11 o'clock. It's just stalling out. We did get a big wick here earlier of buyers that stepped in. Okay. Oh, Juan, yeah, yeah. Never. If you message me first, I'll respond. You can even just go to options chat or uh, trading floor or whatever they're called, and do the at symbol at SPYLORD, and I will get a notification that you tagged me, and I can talk to you in there. But I will never message you first. Same with Josh. Josh will never message you at all. The only time I'll message you is if you ask me for help or messaged me. Come on, pump, baby. Father of the world company. Good. Glad you're here, brother. You got it, Big Glenn? $400 today? My dog. Appreciate you, Big Glenn. Appreciate you. I have one option, Larry. I'm down 7%. I just have one call, just as a starter right here off this level. RSI is turning up, and hopefully we get a cross up on the 5 minute on the MACD. If we get that, I would consider adding over the 9 EMA. These are 609s. They're at 63 cents right now. Oh wow, Tejan. You got bad service, bad signal or something? Okay. There we go. There we go. Starting to move and break even now. Minute left on this candle. Marie, no. Oh, I took a 609 call down here. I didn't get a great feel. There's 6% up. Six or 7% here, if anybody got that. I don't want to add yet. Here was my last line, 608.40. Come on, push. Push, baby. I'm up 15% on this. 608.40, guys. It's a tough freaking level. Out 18%. Good job, Francisco. Good job. Come on. Nah, come on. We're starting to get into lower volume, guys. This will be it for me. If anybody caught that, you should have been up. I got in a little late. I just caught half this candle maybe. And then I added right here, hoping we're going to close over the 9. If it don't, it'll go against me. I got my finger on the sell button. Larry Key, baby. 22%. 16, 27. I like it. I like it. I love you guys, man. I appreciate you. How many we got this morning? Probably lost a few. Woo, 265 people still. Now come on. 96 likes. One down like. There's always one. 263 people watching, 96 likes. Come on. Out 5%, Michelle. Me too, girl. I should have added closer down here, but it is what it is. I'll take a small win here if it's a small win. There we go. 134 likes. I like it. BK, BJ. Yeah, 608.40 is rough. It's been a monster for weeks. I should probably have waited to clear that before getting another call. So I may take a small L on this. I think everybody else done really good. Julius, 23%, 19%. BJ, there we go. My people. I hear you, Jeffrey. Oh man. I feel you, Francisco. My win rate must be 80%. I can't claim that, man. I can't claim 80%. But I'll make my 50 and 60% work way better than my other 30, 40%. I'm not afraid to cut a 7 or 8% loss. I don't let these turn into 30 and 40% losers. I don't let them. Uh, and when I see some decent profits, I take it. Uh, this just don't want to cross up yet on the MACD. I got to have need my 5 minute on trading view. Ah, turn around for a second. Yeah, I take that loss. Turn around for 1 second. Trying to look at trading view. Yep, no go. Should have been short off 608.40. My bad. Well, most of y'all got out with profits. Okay, I'm gonna call it there, guys. Pretty great morning. Pretty great morning. I'm not gonna overtrade. I don't want you guys to overtrade. Volume's going out. Chop will come in. It's time to go take lunch. Time to go take break. 607.30 on the downside. If you want to mark your charts. If we start making new lows, you can scalp puts down towards 606. If we break 608.40, then VWAP, we can push some back to the upside. Now, this could vacillate. Here's your zone. You drop to a 2 minute if you're trying to trade or practice scalping. As for right now, you can buy until it breaks, it don't break. You can buy calls towards the bottom and sell, or buy puts at the top. Once it breaks one time, it breaks though, or you wait for the breakout. So that's that's your two choices. Uh, Otherwise, don't overtrade. Keep your gains. We made big gains this morning. If you feel inclined to tip, my tip jars are in the description. If you want to sign up under me on the Discord, my link is in the description. If you want to change to Weeble, and I highly recommend it, and you can follow me better, and I can teach you better, my Weeble link is in there. It'll give you some free shares when you open an account and do $100 or $1,000. It gives you more. Uh, Blowfin Crypto Exchange link is in there. I hope I made everybody some money this morning, because and I hope I taught you something or showed you something. Okay. I appreciate you guys. Robert, thank you. Tajon, I'm so proud of you, brother. Parker, thanks. Barbara, thanks. Noticing the days that the talking heads aren't talking, we're fired. Yeah, you're right, BK. Learning every day, kicking ass. I like it, Larry. D. Daniel, 15%. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys for hanging with me. Minky, thanks. There you go, Crazy K. Chris Mills, thanks. Tony Jeter, thank you. I do notice this before I go. Here's a 5 minute RSI. Always seeing a little bullish divergence. Like, to me, for this thing to drop more, like, you want this 5 to run back towards 50 on the RSI and get denied, and then you got room for that RSI to drop back down for you. Like, that's my idea. We may have seen the bottom 607.12. It's a 30-minute. Is a 15 curling? 10. 10 minutes starting to curl a little. If I was going to take a call for a bounce, I'd probably go to tomorrow and check out something close to in the money, 607 or 608, to let it ride a little bit. Maybe a 609 too. That's my idea if we're going to get a bounce here off the 10. If I go back to the 2, I would rather get it closer to down here, but maybe too late if it fires up on us. All right, thanks, guys. Charles, thank you. Axel Home Health, Mike. D. Daniel made money. Juan Sanchez, thank you. You message me, Juan, and I will return your message, okay? If I can help you, brother, I'll help you. All right, love you guys. If you can support, I appreciate it. That's how I'm able to stream with you pretty much every day. Okay. Thank you so much. Double love. Appreciate you. Peace. I'm out of here. If I feel froggy, I'll hop back on this afternoon. All right. Love you guys. Thanks. Thanks, Juan. Thanks, Francisco.